Hi, word lovers and pronunciation fans, welcome back to Twisty Soundy Sounds channel. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to enunciate these words. And they are scorch, burn, wither, sear, char, incinerate, and cremate or cremate. Okay, the first word is scorch. Scorch, it's monosyllabic, one syllable word. We say scorch. Scorch. The second word is burn. It's also monosyllabic. We say burn. Burn. The third word is wither. It's disyllabic. Wither. Wither. The stressed syllable is the first syllable. We don't say wither, we say wither. Wither. The fourth word is sear. Sear. And the fifth word is char. It's also monosyllabic. Char. And incinerate. Incinerate. Incinerate is a 4-syllable word. The stressed syllable is the second one. It is showcased by the little line C. We say incinerate. Incinerate. And the last word is cremate, which is the British pronunciation. We say cremate. Cremate. If you want to use the American pronunciation, we say cremate. Cremate. Okay, it's disyllabic. In the first way, in the British manner of pronunciation, they tend to put the stress on the second syllable, mate, cremate. And listen carefully, we have short E, not long E. Short E, cremate. But if you want to use the American pronunciation, we say cremate. Cremate. We have here long E in the second way. Cremate. Cremate or cremate. They are all verbs and they mean consume by fire. They have got the same meaning. Scorch, burn, wither, sear, char, incinerate, and cremate. Again, from the bottom, cremate, cremate, incinerate, char, sear, wither, burn, and scorch. See you next time. Peace.